We will guide you through how to change scale in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD, then open the drawing where you want to change the scale. Check the drawing units by typing units in the command line and pressing enter. Select the appropriate insertion scale for your drawing, such as millimeters if you are working in millimeters. Next, type scale in the command line and press enter. Select the object or objects that you want to change and press enter to confirm your selection. Specify a base point that will remain fixed while the object changes size. Enter the required scale factor. For example, enter 2 to make the object twice as large, or enter 0.5 to make it half its original size. Press enter to complete the scaling operation and check the result in the drawing. If you want to scale an object based on a known measurement, type scale again and select the object you want to adjust. Press enter, specify the base point, and select the reference option from the command line. Select the first point of the existing length, then select the second point to define the current measurement. Enter the new required measurement and press enter. AutoCAD will automatically calculate the scale factor using the original and new measurements, allowing the object to be resized accurately. After scaling, carefully check the object and make sure its position and proportions are correct. Type dist in the command line and press enter to verify that the new dimensions match the required measurement. If the result is not correct, repeat the scale command using the appropriate reference points or scale factor. Finally, review the entire drawing to ensure all required objects are properly sized and positioned. Save the completed drawing by pressing Ctrl+S and give the AutoCAD file an appropriate name for future editing.